Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's crucial to work in a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging your laptop. Start by shutting down your Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17 ISK and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This is essential for your safety while working on the internals. Next, you'll need to unscrew the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove all screws securing the back cover. Keep track of these screws, as different sizes may be involved. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time here to avoid breaking any clips. With the back panel off, you should see the internal components, including the fans. The fans are typically located near the heatsink and connected to the motherboard via a couple of screws and a power connector. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust accumulated inside your laptop. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and heatsink for optimal cooling performance. Now, locate the screws holding the fans in place. Carefully unscrew these, and disconnect the fan's power connector from the motherboard. If you're not comfortable handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our service can assist you with these repairs. Once the old fans are removed, it's time to install the new ones. Place the new fans in the same position as the old ones, ensuring they fit snugly. Reconnect the power connector, and secure the fans with screws. Make sure they are tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. After securing the fans, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and GPU if necessary, as this ensures effective heat transfer. If you need assistance with thermal paste application, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team offers pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your doorstep. Once everything is securely in place, carefully reposition the back panel, ensuring it aligns with all clips and screw holes. Reinsert all screws to secure the back panel. Remember, it's important to tighten screws evenly to avoid warping the case. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check to ensure that the new fans are functioning correctly. You should notice a significant improvement in cooling efficiency. If you still experience issues, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the fans in your Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17 ISK, enhancing its performance and longevity. Enjoy your cooler and quieter laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.